Today, I want to introduce you to one of the most curious and flavorful ingredients in traditional Thai cooking. It's called Het Phok, also known as earth mushrooms or exploding mushrooms. These small, dark spheres appear after the first rains of the year, mostly in northern and northeastern Thailand. They grow underground, hidden beneath wet leaves and soft soil, and are harvested for just a few short weeks each year. Because of this, they're highly prized, a true seasonal delicacy. When cut open, their inside is dense, dark, and firm, similar to a truffle. The flavor is deep, earthy, slightly sweet, and packed with umami. Beyond their flavor, these mushrooms also come with interesting health benefits. They're rich in antioxidants, help boost the immune system, and provide minerals like iron, potassium, and zinc. In traditional Thai medicine, they're believed to cool the body after hot weather and support digestion. In this video, we're making a delicious dish using Het Phok, stir-fried with chili, bamboo shoots, and a mix of Thai herbs. One of those herbs is particularly special, phak. It has a strong aroma and a very distinct flavor. It's used in curries, soups, and especially in omelets, mostly in central and northeastern Thailand. But don't worry, we'll dedicate a full video to this herb very soon. Now, this may not be an easy recipe to recreate outside of Thailand. These mushrooms and herbs aren't exactly easy to find, but it's a way to connect with a deeply local cuisine, rich in tradition, flavor, and ancestral knowledge. A dish that speaks of land and rain, of seasons and cycles, and of the special way Thai cooking transforms the simplest things into something truly unforgettable.